Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Kamla. You step into the shoes of a tantric priest, entering a mysterious mansion to save a woman named Kamla from a powerful demon. Your primary objective is to perform an ancient exorcism ritual. This involves exploring the eerie environment, gathering crucial items, and solving various puzzles to progress. As you navigate the mansion, keen observation is key. You'll need to find 7 specific ritual items, such as salt, holy water, and a prayer plate, scattered throughout the house. These items are often hidden or locked behind puzzles. Pay close attention to notes and environmental details. They provide vital hints for solving these challenges and advancing your quest. Kamla, possessed by the demon, will actively hunt you. Stay vigilant for sounds and visual indicators that she is near. When detected, quickly find a hiding spot, like a closet or under furniture, to avoid her grasp. A red bar on your screen signals her proximity. Once it fills, the immediate threat temporarily subsides, allowing you to move. The final step involves taking each of the 7 ritual items to the mansion's courtyard. Be warned, every time you place an item, Kamla will be alerted and begin a chase. You must strategically place the items and then quickly find a safe hiding spot. Once all 7 items are correctly positioned, the exorcism will be complete, freeing Kamla from the demon.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.